If you're looking for the best vegetable chopper but not sure which one is actually worth buying, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best vegetable choppers you can get right now. I'll break down ease of use, blade quality, versatility, and overall value so you can quickly figure out which vegetable chopper will actually save you time in the kitchen. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1, 8-blade stainless steel multi-vegetable chopper and mandolin slicer, kitchen tools and gadgets, food and veggie chopper, mincer, dicer, French fry cutter. The Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 chopper is one of the most recognized all-in-one vegetable choppers in the US market. This is the type of kitchen gadget that shows up a lot in American households focused on meal prep, quick dinners, and saving time during busy weekdays. What this model is best known for is its balance between versatility and build quality. With 8 stainless steel blades and multiple functions, dicing, slicing, mincing, and even French fry cutting, it's designed to replace several tools in one compact system. In real US kitchens, this becomes especially useful when prepping vegetables for the week, meal prep containers, making large salads for family dinners, chopping onions quickly without tearing up, cutting potatoes for air fryer or oven fries, prepping ingredients for tacos, stir fry, or pasta. The container-based design is a big advantage. Everything drops directly into the container, which keeps counters clean, something that matters in smaller apartments or busy family kitchens. Another key strength is the stainless steel blade quality. Compared to cheaper off-brand choppers, Mueller products are generally known in the US for being more durable and staying sharper longer. The mandolin slicer function is also useful for getting even, consistent slices, which helps with cooking consistency, important when roasting or air frying vegetables. Number 2. Fullstar, the original Pro Chopper, vegetable chopper and spiralizer, food chopper with container, fruit slicer, kitchen gadgets and gifts, home essentials. The Fullstar Pro Chopper is another extremely popular option in the US, often competing directly with Mueller. It's especially well known for being a user-friendly, beginner-friendly kitchen gadget that delivers solid performance for the price. What sets this one apart is its focus on simplicity and convenience, combined with a spiralizer feature. That spiralizer is a big deal for American buyers who are into low-carb or healthy eating trends, like making zucchini noodles instead of pasta. In real-world US use, this chopper is commonly used for prepping salads and vegetables quickly, making veggie noodles for keto or low-carb meals, chopping onions, peppers, and tomatoes for meal prep, creating uniform cuts for better cooking results. The container system again helps reduce mess, which is a big selling point for busy kitchens. Compared to more complex systems, the Fullstar is generally easier to assemble and use. That makes it appealing for people who don't want to deal with too many parts or complicated setups. Pros for US buyers. Easy to use and beginner-friendly. Includes spiralizer for healthy meal options. Compact and practical for everyday use. Good balance of features and simplicity. Cons. Not as heavy-duty as some higher-end models. May struggle with very hard vegetables. Fewer premium build elements compared to top-tier brands. This product is best for Americans who want a simple, effective chopper for daily cooking, especially those focused on healthy eating or quick meal prep. Number 3. All-in-one vegetable chopper with 8 blades, mandolin slicer Pro food chopper with container, veggie salad onion chopper, potato dicer French fry cutter, cheese grater, stainless steel material. This type of 8-blade all-in-one vegetable chopper is extremely popular in the US, especially with busy households that want to cut down meal prep time. Instead of using multiple tools, knife, cutting board, grater, this combines everything into one compact system. What it's best known for is versatility. You can dice onions, slice cucumbers, shred cheese, cut potatoes into fries, and prep salad ingredients all with interchangeable blades. For American kitchens where people cook a mix of quick weekday meals and larger weekend dinners, that kind of convenience matters. In real-world US use, this shines when prepping salads for the week, making stir-fry or meal prep bowls, chopping onions without tears, less direct contact, cutting potatoes for homemade fries or air fryer meals. The container design is another practical feature. Instead of vegetables going everywhere on the counter, everything drops into the container, which helps keep things clean, especially useful in smaller apartment kitchens. The stainless steel blades are typically sharp enough to handle firm vegetables like carrots and potatoes, which is where cheaper plastic blade models struggle. Now for the downsides. These tools rely on manual pressure, so harder vegetables can require some force. If you're prepping large quantities, it can get tiring. Cleaning can also be a bit tedious. Even though parts are removable, you'll need to carefully wash around the blades. This product is best for US buyers who want a multi-purpose kitchen gadget to speed up everyday cooking, especially for families or meal preppers. It's not ideal for someone who prefers traditional knife skills or cooks in very large batches where speed and durability matter most. Number 4. UltraChop All-in-One, 12-blade heavy-duty vegetable chopper, food chopper container, spiralizer, mandolin slicer, onion mincer, French fry and salad cutter, home essentials and kitchen gadgets. The UltraChop 12-blade version takes the same concept as the previous product and pushes it further with more blade options and a heavier duty build. In the US market, these upgraded versions appeal to buyers who want maximum functionality in one tool. With 12 different blades, you get more cutting styles, thinner slices, thicker dices, spiralized veggies for low-carb meals, and more precise prep options. In real American kitchens, this is especially useful for meal prepping multiple dishes at once, making zucchini noodles or veggie pasta alternatives, preparing large family meals, cutting consistent pieces for recipes that require even cooking. The heavy-duty aspect usually means a sturdier frame and stronger pressure mechanism, which helps when working with harder vegetables like sweet potatoes or carrots. The included container and organized blade system also help keep everything in one place, which matters in busy kitchens where storage space is limited. Pros for US buyers. More cutting options than basic models. Better for batch cooking and meal prep. Can replace multiple kitchen tools. Useful for health-focused diets, salads, veggie noodles. Cons. Takes up more storage space. More parts to clean and manage. Still requires manual effort. This chopper is best for Americans who cook regularly and want a high-function, all-in-one prep tool, especially for meal prepping or larger households. Number 5. G-Del Food Chopper, easy-to-clean manual hand vegetable chopper dicer, dishwasher-safe slap onion chopper for veggies, onions, garlic, nuts, salads. The G-Del manual slap chopper is a completely different approach compared to the multi-blade systems. Instead of slicing and dicing in multiple styles, this tool focuses on quick, simple chopping using a push-down mechanism. In the US, these slap choppers are popular for fast, small prep tasks, especially when you don't want to pull out a full cutting board and knife. You press down on the top, and internal blades spin to chop the food inside. It's simple, compact, and easy to use. In real-world American kitchens, this works well for chopping onions and garlic quickly, making salsa or small salad mixes, crushing nuts for toppings, quick prep without making a mess. One of the biggest advantages is ease of cleaning. Many models are dishwasher safe, and since there are fewer parts, cleanup is faster compared to multi-blade choppers. It's also very compact, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or RV use. However, it has clear limitations. It's not designed for slicing, shredding, or making fries. It's strictly for basic chopping, and results may not always be perfectly uniform. That wraps up our review of the 5 best vegetable choppers available right now. Each one offers a different mix of features, whether you want something simple for quick prep or a more versatile option for full meal prep. If one of these caught your attention, check the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.